In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show product prices as tax included in Odoo. If you want your online store to display prices with tax already included, Odoo makes this very simple to set up. This is especially useful if you want customers to see the final price more clearly while browsing your website, without needing to calculate extra tax on their own. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly where to find this option and how to enable it. To get started, open Odoo and go to the Settings app. This is where you'll find the main configuration options for different parts of your system. Once you're inside Settings, look for the Website category. That's where Odoo groups together the options related to your online store and website behavior. After you open the Website category, scroll down until you reach the eCommerce section. Take your time here, because there are several settings available and you want to make sure you're adjusting the correct one. In the e-commerce area, look for the option that controls how product prices are displayed. Here you'll need to select the setting to display product prices as tax included. Enabling this option tells Odoo to show prices on your website with tax already built into the amount customers see. This can create a smoother shopping experience, especially in regions where tax-inclusive pricing is the standard expectation. Once you've selected that option, the final step is to click Save at the top right of the screen. This is important because the change won't be applied unless you save it. After that, your website will display product prices as tax included, and that's it. The process is quick, but it can make a big difference in how pricing appears to your customers. If you're managing an e-commerce store in Odoo, keeping your price display clear and aligned with your business needs is an important part of the customer experience. Just remember that this setting affects how prices are shown on the website, so it's a good idea to review a few product pages afterward and confirm everything looks the way you expect. That way you can be sure your store is presenting pricing clearly and consistently. Thanks for watching, and that's how to show product prices as tax included in Odoo.